Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndeto ingi ningi nditu ni ciakorwo igikora Kameme FM presenter Njogua wa Chira ni nduku nini thutha wake gukorwo agifutwo kuma bodi eno ya ICT thutha wake gugikorwo akiruta wira for 2 good years kuma bodi iyo, na Njogua arauga gufutwo gwake ni undu urari mubange kuona kuri na decisions marakorirwo makimake when he was a board member. Decision arauga ciakorirwo ikiaga gukenia anene amwe, na ni undu wa uguo Njogua arauga he has now been summoned by EACC together na other board members. Njogua wa Chira arauga mathina maya mamukorete maumanite na ati ni akorirwo akiri among andu aria makorirwo magitikira ku renew contract ya ICT CEO Stanley Kamagun against wishes cia anene amwe, na kuona CEO uyu ni arathuthurio nikio Njogu na other board members makorwo makiri summoned na EACC, na akorwo akiandika akiuga there is an orchestrated scheme to hound from office the CEO who hails from Nyeri County on account of his tribe. Na Njogua thie na mbere na gutariria kiria gitumite akorwo akiegutio wira kuma bodi ino, akiuga my revocation from the board 4 days ago was a punishment for standing with the right decision. Ni ndeto Njogua wa Chira agikorwo akiuburania kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria, akiuga he has been summoned by EACC together na other board members, na ni undu wonekana gukorwo kigegia andu aingi, kuna aingi marakionete tu taire ndeto cia juju, no kuringana na maria Njogua thie na mbere na kuburania maundu ni maronekana ta maragithie na mbere makirituhaga, na tugagikorwo tukimwendithiria maundu magiikare wega. Make sure ni uratana on your notification uga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakorwo wa mbere gukinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na next one.